Moving along, now we're going into year 6 and it starts to get a little bit more challenging because now children are going to be combining work with pie charts and fractions and percentages. So they need to work out that a pie chart usually works with percentages and percentages add up to 100. So all the parts of a pie chart need to add up to 100 to make 100%. And then if they convert that into fractions, fractions add up to 1. So 1 whole is what the total would add up to. So then they have to work out the fractions that would then add up to 1 whole. So moving along, if we have a look at this, I won't go through all these questions, but let's just go through a couple. Study the graph and answer the questions below. So it says, what fraction of the sales are strawberry cakes? So they simply need to look at this pie chart. Strawberry cake is written there, and there are 2/5 that were sold. Okay, so then they'd write 2/5 there. Which cake sold half as much as carrot cakes? So half as much. So we need to look at carrot cakes. So there's 1/10 of carrot cakes were sold. A half of a 10th is a 20th. So a banana cake, the banana cake, there's half as much. There was half as many banana cakes are sold as carrot cakes. So that would go there. So children would need to understand that by halving a fraction, you actually double the denominator. So which cake is 1/5 of the total? They would, well, here 1/5 is the cheesecake. Which cake is the bestseller? Find the biggest part. Strawberry cake. What fraction of the total are strawberry and carrot cakes combined? You would then add up, or they would need to be able to add up the strawberry and the carrot. So 1/10 add the 2/5. So they've got some conversion there where they need to convert the fifths into tenths. So 2/5 would be the same as 4/10, then add that to the 1/10, which would give you 4 plus 1 is 5/10, which is the equivalent of a half. So there's quite a lot of calculation for that question, and they need to represent it in the smallest equivalent fraction, but equivalent fractions and working with fractions, that's for a different lesson. And then we have what fraction of the total are cheesecakes, strawberry and chocolate cakes combined. So again, that's another adding up the fractions, but because the cheesecake is written in fifths, the strawberry is written in fifths, which is fine, that's 3/5, but then the chocolate cake is a quarter. We now need to convert our denominators to make sure that they're the same before we can add them together. So that again is for a different lesson, and I will leave that for now. Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years now, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and also foundation level GCSEs in English and maths. Otherwise, I actually have a parent and teacher group where I answer your questions, where you can drop me a line in there and I will either write comments and posts and things like that in my group so that I can help you. And I also have a free parent teaching magazine which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.